Alright, so I wanted to just do a quick video to show you the, well, this is just a tank top that I found. This is the shirt, the little jacket thing. It is, excuse my britches. It is floor length, and the pants do come down. They cover my feet pretty good. I would say they're fairly short friendly. The jacket is not dragging the ground unless I am actively doing something down. The sleeves do fit a little tight, but nothing that's like, oh, they're horrible. Yeah. I like it. I think it's cute. And I'm going to pair it. I think I'm going to try to pair it with the bandeau. I just needed to wear something. I had a meeting today, so I needed to look quasi-professional. Okay, y'all, to be honest, I had, this is like weeks later. I forgot to do an outro. I commonly do. Y'all charge it to my heart and not my head. But yeah, that was my Shein haul. There were some pretty good wins. I definitely love the black and white one. For in the house, I absolutely love the ones with the low back. I've been able to wear the white one with the little ruffles around the top. I've worn that to appointments, to other things. Love it, super comfortable. The bandeaus did not necessarily work, but you know, if I'm at the house, it's definitely an added not benefit. It doesn't have a lot of support. I've already lost one of my earrings, I think, in my truck, so I've got to see if I can find them out of there, but I've enjoyed the earrings. I think I also have misplaced the bags. I have not even gotten a chance to use them. I think they're still at my friend's house. So I'm going to double check with her and check the stuff that I brought home. But other than that, that's my haul. We're going to definitely start to slow down, especially with the Shein, because I am looking at starting for my doctorate's program. And that costs money. But as I need professional clothes or whatever I decide I need, that'll be a little drop in. So thank you guys, appreciate it. I have a Fit Fab Fun. I know I always struggle with that one. And I really need to go back and talk about all the products that I've gotten, how they've worked for me in that piece too. And so I'll do that. So I'll do the original, the unboxing, then I'll talk about the ones that I had from last quarter and how they've worked and if I've been consistent with them. I think that'll be a good follow-up. All right, thanks guys.